Hello, welcome to the LCLC Kahoot workshop. My name is Kelsey Moorfield. I'm an RA with the LCLC department. Let's get started. So what exactly is Kahoot? Kahoot is a website in which an instructor can prepare a game and have students play against others using their phone or their computer. The instructor must pull up and proctor the Kahoot game and display it to the class while students answer questions on their phones or computers. Students must select the correct answer as quickly as possible in order to win the game. Stats will be displayed after every question. At the end of the game, there's a podium with the first, second, and third place winners, and other stats are also displayed. Creating an account. So the pricing is free, and it has all of the affordances that an instructor might need, but there is also a premium version available that offers a couple more question types. To sign up, you can just use your UIC email. Some advantages of Kahoot. It works well in virtual classroom settings in classic mode, create a game in a few minutes, quickly integrates technology into the classroom. It gives students a set time to use their phones and their computers in class, search through a database of already created Kahoot activities, formatively assess students without putting them on the spot. It encourages high student engagement and social learning. There's anonymous answering available. You can see statistics of completed games, which can show you which students need help, difficult questions, and average student performance. Some disadvantages of Kahoot. Students can only win by giving quick and accurate responses, which might not be accessible for all students, and students with less than 100% solid internet connectivity issues will fall behind. It can be a basic grammar or vocab drill if it's not used correctly, and there's a lot of advertisements to upgrade, which is distracting and it clutters the screen. What types of questions are supported on Kahoot? There's multiple choice questions with 2 to 4 answers, 2 false questions, select more than one right answer questions, insert images to support questions, and you can be creative by using these few question types to ask other types of questions, such as fill in the blank, odd answer out, etc. Here's some ideas for your BLP classroom using Kahoot. You can use it as a warm-up or exit ticket, practice common classroom phrases within the first week of class, vocabulary recall from homework, language form recall or practice from previous lessons, collocation practice, show only pictures and have students guess the verb or activity in the target language, translation practice, fill in the blank or blanks with correctly conjugated verb forms, have the students choose odd words or sentences out, ask questions about synonyms, opposites, and examples, or not examples, like which sentence below is not an example of passive voice, and include in a chapter test for review of vocab, etc. Some additional features of Kahoot. You can discover already created Kahoot games by using the search function, and you can duplicate an existing Kahoot and edit it to your class's needs. There you can see reports, see detailed reports of Kahoots that were played. You can download this as an Excel sheet, view student performance question by question, and see which students did not do well in the Kahoot or which students needed help. And then there's groups. You can add colleagues to a collaborative group, and then there's a friendly nickname generator to avoid students writing a name in which they are no longer identifiable. Inappropriate names are not usually the case among university students, but sometimes students use only one letter or an abbreviation. We would recommend requesting students to use their first name and the first initial of their last name. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, email us at lclc@uic.edu. Thank you very much.